Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most popular middleweight naked bikes in the market, the 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Renowned for its balance of performance, affordability, and everyday usability, the MT-07 has been a rider favorite for years. The 2026 update continues that tradition while refining key areas to make it even more appealing to both new and experienced riders. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this bike is still a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 MT-07 builds on Yamaha's aggressive, dark side of Japan design language with sharper lines and a more futuristic profile. The LED headlight unit has been restyled for a sleeker, more menacing look, and the tank shrouds flow seamlessly into the bodywork for a muscular yet compact appearance. New color options and graphic schemes add personality, while updated ergonomics ensure a comfortable yet sporty riding position. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the MT-07 remains Yamaha's 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, now optimized for smoother delivery and improved efficiency. The familiar punchy torque is still there, making it an excellent choice for city rides and weekend fun. Refinements to the 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch enhance shifting precision, while a slightly revised suspension setup offers better cornering stability without sacrificing everyday comfort. Safety and technology. Yamaha has equipped the 2026 MT-07 with a full-color TFT display, offering smartphone connectivity, call alerts, and navigation integration. ABS is standard, and traction control has been added for improved rider confidence. The bike now features selectable ride modes, allowing riders to tailor throttle response to conditions. With these updates, the MT-07 feels more advanced and user-friendly than ever. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 continues to prove why it's one of the most loved middleweight motorcycles. With its bold new design, refined engine, and modern tech, it strikes the perfect balance between performance and practicality. Whether you're commuting daily or carving twisty roads on the weekend, the MT-07 remains a reliable and exciting choice. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more first looks and reviews on the bikes and cars that matter most.